I'm so excited to share this video with you. I'm at my training now, and today we're going to really go into where to put your hands, how to make contacts to bring in the spinal wave for our clients. So I love teaching my students, and I love teaching them that they can actually find the access points in someone's body by putting their hands, using the right hand contact, the right technique, and being in the right place. The spinal wave starts to come. And what's really cool is that you don't have to have any experience at all. You can learn where to put your hands to bring in the spinal wave for your clients. And what's really cool about the spinal wave is that's where our healing energy is. That's where the life force, the intelligence that's inside you is. It runs up and down that spinal wave. I really believe that with the spinal flow technique, we help so many people to help themselves. The body has exactly what it needs inside it to heal, and by using the access points and bringing that spinal wave that's already inside our clients, they can access the healing energy, the healing intelligence that's inside them so their body can heal. And it looks cool. You've got waves that are really large. We've got more breathing waves, which are softer. Sometimes we have stillness waves. There's all different types of waves. But what's really cool is that that's inside all of us. And when you learn the spinal flow technique, you're going to learn exactly how to bring that wave that's already in your clients out so they can feel it, they can notice it, and they can benefit from the healing that's involved with being connected with what's inside their body. So if that's what you're interested in and you want to say, yes, I want actually to be able to work with the spinal wave for my clients, then come and join us for the Spinal Flow Certification. You will learn how to bring that into your clients. You don't have to have any experience at all, or you can have had heaps of experience. It doesn't matter. If you've got hands, you've got passion, you want to help people, then I can teach you.